Supervised drug consumption sites have been a topic of debate in San Francisco for years. With opioid settlement dollars flowing into the city's coffers, San Francisco supervisors and activists are urging City Attorney David Chiu to use over $130 million in opioid litigation settlements to fund such sites. Supervisor Hillary Ronen is leading the charge to open the sites, but Chiu has said he wants nonprofits to pay to supervise drug consumption to shield the city from liability. However, 3 San Francisco nonprofits have stated they are either unable to raise the nearly $2 million a year needed to pay staff to supervise drug consumption or are unwilling to take on the legal liability without full city support. While supervised drug consumption sites are technically illegal under federal law, a New York City organization has run 2 sites without repercussions for over a year under President Biden, and Rhode Island is set to open its own by the end of the year using opioid settlement dollars. Chiu has said he supports the New York model, which uses no city funding, property, or staff to supervise drug use. Advocates argue that Chiu's opinion that opioid settlement dollars are public funds that would pin liability on the city is incorrect since most of the money comes from private lawsuits. Supporters also push back on the notion that the New York model, which is struggling financially, is not feasible. Supervisors did pass an exemption to city law last month that allows Mayor London Breed and her staff to fundraise for supervised consumption sites. However, as of now, they have not identified any funds for the purpose. Advocates for supervised drug consumption sites argue that they can reduce the risk and frequency of drug use without increasing public drug use. Critics, however, contend that such sites enable addiction without pushing for abstinence or prosecuting drug dealing. The debate is heating up as opioid settlement dollars flow into city coffers, and it remains to be seen how San Francisco will proceed with the use of such funds.